my dog food weighs 30 pounds and my dogs weigh 70 pounds and I pick them up all the time.
That's good. Slide this way just a little bit. Good. Good. That was almost too easy to go the other way now. So during pregnancy, obviously the hips have to spread to get ready for the delivery. That's comfort as well. Perfect. Good. Any discomfort with that at all?
No.
Good. Lay on your back now. Okay. All right. That's good here. Very good. Same thing here. Very good. All right. All right. So that's it for Miss Danielle.
There you go. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
that's a good one.
Yes, sir. I always know I get a good one when I see happy feet. See, Jeremy's a real pro at relaxing now. Jeremy?
Oh, it's a lot better. A lot better. I've been coming here 2 years and my life has completely changed. A lot of my gratitude goes towards the Department of Veteran Affairs
Yep.
and my primary care physician at the VA,
Yep.
who helped me get these visits
Yep.
taken care of and approving me for another round. And
Yeah. And they're seeing the
very
progress
grateful.
too, aren't they?
yes,
I mean, when you go back and visit your primary care docs, they actually get to hear you talk about the
They do.
progress you're making. Okay, let's go over here.
Take a deep breath in, exhale out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. And exhale out. And relax right there. And breathe.
Just relax your shoulder just a little bit more. That's good. Good, right there. Ah! Okay. You definitely give me a warning on that one. Just relax a little bit more from the cross. That's good. Just relax more.
Oh, yeah.
Just relax.
Cool.
Ooh.
Felt that in my pinkies.
Just try to relax as much as you can. You see through region. There we go. Wow. I want you to let that hip relax more. There it goes. This one has a little bit more movement. All right, relax your hip for me more.
Take a deep breath in, exhale out.
Good. Relax your shoulders more. Good. Relax your shoulders more. There you go. There it is. Okay. All right, so just relax. Ooh-wee. Yeah, right there. Deep breath in and out. Good, right there. Good. Good. Put it.
Okay.
Relax more. Good. Now what I want you to do is just relax as much as you can. Good. Relax those shoulders. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. No warning.
Stuff like that, it kind of. That was my
Oh, I felt that. Good. Let that air go.
Ooh.
Yeah. Good. Relax a little bit more. There you go.
Not bad.
Just relax. And out. Good. Good. Just relax your body just a little bit. There you go. Good. That was a deep one.
Yeah.
Ooh. Relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh, Jesus. That's loud.
That was super loud.
Mm-hmm.
Just relax more.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
That was easy.
Yeah, it was super easy.
Oh my god.
Good. Let your shoulders wiggle. Good.
How you doing, sir? Good, I can take you. Yeah, it's true. It's a holiday week.
I'm like trying to see when you pull it.
Relax your shoulders.
Oh.
Take a deep breath in. Good.
I felt it.
Relax more.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, relax a little bit more. Good job. One more. Good job.
Other side. It's right there.
You want to kind of gently let me get me in here. Good, perfect. Other side. Good. Here, already starting to go. Good. Wait a little bit more. Go ahead and lay on your back, please.
I also find it's more comfortable for the patient. And that also allows me to just get in there and get things moving. Go ahead and come over on the other side. Take one more segment here. Scoot your lower hip out. This is the nerve that's going to affect the lower back as well as your legs. Give you some more flexibility, range of motion. There we go.
So just take a deep breath for me and relax. A little bit of a push in through here. There we go. Perfect. Good job. So I'm going to lean her over a little bit. Breathe. There it goes already. Perfect. Good. The sacroiliac joint is right here. And we just get in here and just make a little light push right there. And you felt that, didn't you? Felt really good. Good. Easy does it. There. Now this hip here, we're going to move this way. Breathe out and just relax your hip there for me. There we go. Perfect. Did you feel that move?
Yes.
How'd that feel?
Holy moly.
Holy moly, it felt great. Well, I'm glad. So we're going to be pushing it up forward. Breathe out for me there. There we go. Did you feel that move?
Yes.
Yes, very